Guys, haven't seen anything. Okay, Thor, I surrender. Stop. When the sun Yo, what's good? What's good, Black Man family? Welcome back to another video. And tonight we are going to be calling Thor at 3 a.m. Now, I send the video in the description down below. Go to that video first and then come to this one. But yeah, we're gonna call Thor on 3 a.m. If you don't know who Thor is, I don't know where you've been living at, or you're not a Marvel comic book, but it doesn't matter anyway. Thor is basically a Marvel comic book character, and he's inside movies. Actually, in 8 movies about. And I just saw Avengers Endgame like 2 weeks ago. But if you don't know what Endgame is, go to that movie. It's really good. I swear it's really good, dude. But guys, I just hit 50 subscribers today. This is insane. Now, guys, I want to tell you what my next goal is. My next goal is to get to 100 subscribers. Wait, 100 subscribers. Yep, my goal is to get to 100 subscribers. So that's my next goal. My Instagram and Snapchat will be in the description down below if you want to go check that out. I'm going to show you the time real quick. We're a little bit late, but it's only 3:12 in the morning. We are currently in the Devil's Hour, and I have my phone. It took, always a few minutes. So yeah, we're gonna get into this challenge, and like the video. If you like the video, make it your best. If you're new, turn on the bell, because I post crazy video like this all the time. Don't forget to check in stop motion animation and my movies. Yep, let's get into the challenge. Let's see what happens when we call let's see what happens when we call Thor at 3 a.m. Okay, guys, look at this. We have, hold on, Thor's number right there. I'm blocking the number because I don't want you to call. It's going to be extremely dangerous at 3 a.m. So here it is, Thor. Can you guys get it? Thor, 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 blocking the number. There's no FaceTime option for this, but we're going to press the call. And yeah. Alright, guys. Okay, we're waiting. This is going to be a one-second video if he actually answers. What the heck, Thor? What? He hanged up, guys. Did you hear that? He made like a weird sound. We gotta call Thor again. That was insane, guys. It really was. I have to call him again. Crap. We have to, guys. Let's make one insane video.
Thank you for calling Spanish Mobile. Your
Crap.
call has been suspended due to an issue.
Okay, guys. He is not answering. Like, I don't understand, man. But that was insane. I have no idea. He said, "Bring me Thanos." Thanos not even here. But I don't know. I should be worried or something. Did I call him? But that was really insane. But nothing. See. To be honest, if Thor was actually coming for me, I wouldn't be scared. Because I'm really protected in my house. Because I have all the doors closed, so he wouldn't be able to come in. Yeah. So I guess we can just look around, just to be safe. And if he actually comes, I want you to hit 10 likes on this video. Let's get to 10 likes on this video. We can do it. The Black Man family is killing it tonight after we just hit 50 subscribers today. Yep. So let's get into the video. Just to check, guys. Hello? This door is locked. This door is locked. this door's locked. Yeah, guys, I checked all the doors. All of them seem to be closed, so I don't think I should. Oh, I forgot the other door, the front door. I gotta go to that door. Oh crap, guys. What, guys? What the heck? The door is open. This is really bad, guys. The door is literally open. Guys, the door is closed. It's locked too. Guys, I have no idea how that door opened. I have no idea at all. But wait, if the door was open, that means Thor could have got in. You think Thor's here? Oh, that makes sense. I don't know. This is a crazy night, guys. I'm gonna need much help if I actually can, guys. From you guys. So I want you to obliterate that like button. We can do it. Okay. Guys, is that him? Gotta go hide. Yeah, guys, I don't see him anywhere.
2,000 years later. 2,000 years later.
Okay, guys, haven't seen anything yet. Guys, I have no idea where's Thor, but I have no. Thor? Is that you? Okay, I'm sorry. I'll put the camera down, okay? If that what you want. Thor, okay. Okay. Let me put it down. No, I'm not dealing with this, man. No. Caught you now, Tamari. Okay, Thor. I surrender. Stop. Okay. I won't call you again at this time. Don't call me at this time anymore, Mario. I'll kill you. You're scaring me. Guys, I think he's gone. Oh my god, guys. My heart. Did you see Thor? Bro, I think he left. Look, guys. Look, the door's open. The door's literally open. I think Thor's gone now. Close this door. Guys. I think Thor's gone. I locked all the doors, so I should be safe in my own house. Guys, that was literally the insane video I have ever had. Please, you guys, just stay safe. Just leave it to the pros. Do not call Thor at 3 a.m. I'm going to show you the time real quick. There it is, guys. 4:01 a.m. in the morning. 4 a.m. in the morning. Here's why I'm ending it here. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoy, click the like button, subscribe to the channel, and let's not call Thor again, because that was a bad idea. Well, that's all I got for today. Stay safe tonight, guys. Whew, 50 subscribers. I feel good. Next goal is to get to 100, guys. And next time, let's not call Thanos. Maybe with my brother and sister, that'll probably work. Alright, guys, I post every Monday, Wednesday, Friday. I love you guys. Until next time, Blackman out.